It begins in the fields. Thousands of cotton bolls, ready to harvest. Picked by hand, tons of raw cotton, gathered daily. Compressed into bales, tons, ready to move to the mill. At the mill now, where raw cotton becomes thread. Cleaned and combed. Massive volume, fiber by fiber.
Spun into yarn. Spun into yarn. Thousands of spools, all at once.
Thousands of spools, ready for the loom. Thousands of threads aligned, precision before the weave.
Dozens of looms running at once. Fabric woven by the mile.
Fresh off the loom, massive rolls, tightly woven.
Bleached bright white. Massive rolls prepared for color. Saffron dye by the roll. The first color takes hold.
Green dye, just as massive, the second color, set deep. Dried in massive rows, 3 colors, ready to become one.
Every roll checked.
In motion, color must be exact. Cut into thousands of strips. Precision every single time. And thousands more in green, matched exactly to size. The center strip, white. Thousands cut, all identical. The wheel, printed with precision. Thousands of times, exact. Set and dried, thousands of prints, locked in place. 3 colors, aligned exactly. Thousands of sets, every hour. Stitched together. 3 exact colors becoming one flag, thousands of times. Cut to exact size and ratio. Thousands of flags, every one identical. Every edge hemmed clean, durable, thousands strong. A reinforced edge added. Built to fly, every single flag. Every flag checked against the exact standard. Precision at massive scale. Folded neatly by the thousands. Ready for the shelf. Sealed and protected. Thousands packed, ready to travel. Packed by the pallet, shipped by the truckload. From raw cotton to a nation's pride. Thousands made with exact care.